Okay guys, here is the video for guys you how to use our vending machine. First, here is the standalone version machine. And when you receive the machine, first you need to check if all the things in place and all the spare part is packaged well and the machine is okay. And then you need to take out the keys to open the machine door. The spare part should be put on here, so you can take out the key from here. Then turn on the machine by the power on here. Then the spring will turn on here. Then put all your products on the line. And before you put the line, you need to cut off the tie from each springs. Okay, so on each line you need to use a cutter to cut off the tie. Then put your products and close the machine. And if you want to display the video or the photos on the screen, you need to make sure that you are using the online screen or the offline screen. If you are using the offline screen, like this one, here is the offline screen, then you need to find a USB drive and put your media, like the photos or the video, and then insert your USB on this port here. Here should have a USB port for you to insert the USB drive. Then the video will display automatically. And you can use the remote controller to control this screen, but the remote controller is need to using by this port here. So this one, to control this port. Okay, and you need to insert the battery first. Then the machine should be working well. And next video I will show you how to set up the price and set up the stock on the screen. Okay, but this one is for the first menu. Okay,